Welcome to this technical guide on the TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The closure system on your TM5 not functioning properly can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to wear and tear or a malfunctioning component, which can lead to further complications if not addressed promptly. If left unattended, the closure system might completely fail, rendering your device unusable. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement closure mechanism. To begin the repair, ensure you have all your tools at hand. First, switch off the device and unplug it from any power source. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back panel of the TM5. Take your time and ensure you keep track of the screws as you remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver, applying minimal force to avoid damaging any clips or surrounding components. With the back panel removed, locate the closure mechanism. This is usually situated near the hinge area of the device. Check for any obvious signs of damage or misalignment. To extract the faulty closure mechanism, carefully disconnect any attached cables using your tweezers. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as this could damage the connectors. Once the cables are disconnected, remove the screws securing the closure mechanism in place. Remember to apply even pressure while unscrewing to prevent stripping the screws. After removing the screws, gently lift the closure mechanism out of its housing. Now, take your replacement closure mechanism and position it correctly in the device. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened evenly but not overly so. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are seated properly in their connectors. Before reassembling the device, it's a good idea to test the closure system by powering it on briefly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed that the closure mechanism is working, carefully replace the back panel of the TM5. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the closure system to remove any debris and handle the device with care to avoid undue stress on the closure mechanism. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.